Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanics Life, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to reset your service interval on your Mercedes. This is a GLK, so it works on C300s, C350s. Basically, I'll get it going. What you have to do is when you're looking right here, you have to press this button to scroll down until you see this. So your mileage and your miles that you get. At this point, you want to shut off your car and just leave it on the on position, just like that. You don't have to start the engine, so you have to leave it at this position, just like so. Now at this point, what you have to do is press this button and this button at the same time. So I'm going to try this doing it with the camera, but it's gonna get closer, and I'll show you the message what's gonna be happening. So I'm gonna use this finger to press on here, and you want to do a split second more on the answer button more than here. So press the answer button and OK, and hold it. And once you hold it, you get this menu right here. And what you need to go for is you press the down arrow to get to the assist plus. You press OK, press full service, OK. Configure full service. Has the service been carried out? Basically, if you do your own oil changes and you gotta reset the service, that's the first service that you get. Usually it's for oil changes and fuel, air filters and stuff like that. So you press yes, you basically scroll down to yes, you press OK, and this cannot be undone. So once you do this and you press confirm, full service cannot be carried out because I just reset it right before I made the video, but I just wanted to make this video a quick video for people to see how to do it. But as you can see right now, if I go back and start the engine, there's nothing. So there's no more services that are coming out. Doesn't tell me anything is late. So that's how you do it. If this helped you in any way, shoot me a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you and have a nice day. See you on the next one.